This 2018 Grand Design Solitude 377 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.